So, good afternoon, my dear student. I hope you all are fine. Today, we are going to read the next part of our chapter multiples and factors with HCF and LCM. Fine. So, we have already learned about multiples, factors, common multiples, common factors. Today, we are going to learn about prime factor, prime numbers, and composite numbers. Okay, prime numbers and composite numbers. So, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers means the numbers who have only two factors. Only two factors. One and itself. These are the prime numbers. Some numbers are there which have only two factors, one and itself. So these are called the prime numbers. And what are composite numbers? Composite. Two numbers I have given. One is prime and one is composite. So what are these composite numbers? The numbers who have more than two factors are called the composite numbers. Now I am going to take examples of two numbers. Now I'm going to take examples of two numbers, 7 and 9. Okay, 7 and 9. Okay, now factors of 7. Factors of 7, if I will say you, factors of 7. Factors of 7 is what? 1. 1 into 7 is 7. You will nowhere else find 7. So factors of 7 is 1 and 7. Factors of 9, if I will tell you, factors of 9. Factors of 9. Factors of 9 is what? 1 nines are 9. 1 nines are 9. And 3 threes are 9. So factors of 9 are what? 1, 3 and 9. So now here you see 7 in 7 and 9, you see here. Yeah. In 7 and 9, in case of 7, you have only two factors, 1 and 7. In case of 9, you have three factors, 1, 3 and 9. So from this you can prove that 7 is a prime number and 9 is a composite number. Okay. 9 is a composite number. Suppose one more example if you want also I can take. Let's take the example of 11 and 16. What I have done. Okay. Okay now. Let's take the example of 11 and 16. We will take two examples now. Where is the eraser? Oh, this one only. Okay. Okay, let's take the example of 11 and 16. Now factors of 11, if I will tell you, factors of 11, 1 11s are 11. You know 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. Okay. And if I will tell you factors of 16, what you will do? 1 16s are 16, every number is a factor of itself and 1 is the factor of every number. Okay. And 1 into 16 is 16, 2 8s are 16 and 4 4s are 16. Okay, you remember table 4. 4 4s are 16, no need to repeat it. 8 2s are 16, 16 1s are 16, no need to repeat it. Okay, these are the factors. Which are the factors? Factors are what? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay, so from this you can see here which are the factors. 1 and 11 only. 1 and 11. So by this you can see, by this we can prove that 11 is a prime number. Only two factors are there, 1 and 11. and 16 is a composite number. Okay, 16 is a composite number. Fine. Now we will learn a trick. Okay, we will learn a trick. So I'm clearing this all. We will learn a trick. First, you write numbers from 1 to 30. First, you will write numbers from 1 to 30. I will not tell you the name of the trick now. First, you write numbers from 1 to 30. Okay, I have written all the numbers from 1 to 30. This process is called, okay, this process is called sieve of Eratosthenes. Sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay, sieve of Eratosthenes. So by this you can identify the prime and composite numbers. So how I am doing, just look. First, what you have to do, you have to cross out 1. Why 1 you have to cross out? 1 is not a prime number. 1 is not a prime number. Why 1 is not a prime number? Because 1 has only one factor 1. So 1 is, we cannot take 1 as a prime number. 1 is a special number. Okay, 1 is a special number. 1 is a special number, not a prime number, not a composite number. 1 we take as a special number only, or a unit number. 1 is a unit. Okay, so first you have to cross out 1. Then you have to cross out the multiples of 2. First you will check the factors of 2. Factors of 2. So 2 factors I will take. 2 into 1, 2. Every number is a factor of itself and 1 is a factor of every number. Is there any other factor? No. So 2 has which factor? 1 and 2 only. 2 has only 2 factors. So 2 cannot be a composite number. 2 is a prime number. So leave 2. Then you have to cross out all the multiples of 2 except 2. All the multiples. 4 is a multiple of 2. 6 is a 2, you not cross out, because 2, remember, 2 is the only even prime number. Even prime number is 2. 2 is the only even prime number, so don't cross out 2. Okay. Now cross out 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, all the multiples of 2. Just add, go on adding 2 and cross out. Now you have to cross out all the multiples of 3. All the multiples of 3. 3 don't cross out. Multiples of 3. 6 already crossed out. 9. 12 already crossed out. 15. 18 already crossed out. 21. 24 already crossed out. 27. 30 already crossed out. Now we will cross out all the multiples of 5. Okay. Now we will cross out all the multiples of 5. 5 don't cross out. 10 already crossed out. 15 already crossed out. 20 already crossed out. 25 crossed out. 25. Okay. Now cross out all the multiples of 7. 7 don't cross out. Okay. 14 already crossed out. 21 already crossed out. Okay, 28 also, no need to cross out multiples of 7. Still I am telling, so that it is increased up to 40, you can cross out multiples of 7. So this much. Now, these all are your prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 23, and 19 and 29. These all are the prime numbers. And the number that are crossed out except one, move one, cut one, no need to bring one. Except one, all are what? Composite numbers. Okay. This is the sieve of Eratosthenes. So this one you can use. Now we are going to read prime factorization. Very, very important. Prime factorization. Okay. Prime factorization. What is this factorization? To find the factors. Why it is prime factorization? To find the factors in form of prime numbers. To find the factors in form of prime numbers, in form of prime numbers. Find the factors in form of prime numbers. So there are two methods to find the factors. Okay, I'm texting only because if I annotate, the handwriting is so bad. Okay, so we will now read about prime factorization method. Fine. So there are two methods. One is factor tree method. One is division method. Okay. Two methods we are having basically. One is factor tree method. One is division method. Okay. Factor tree method. What is factor tree method? Suppose I am taking a number 36. Fine. Suppose I am taking a number 36. Okay. 36 is a prime number. So we have to divide it by 2. Okay. So not a prime number, it is an even number. I'm sorry. It is an even number. So to divide it by 2. So 2 ones are 2. Okay. 1 and 6 are left. 2 8s are 16. So left is 0. So from this 36, make a tree. 2 into 18. 2 and 18. 2 trees we have made. Okay. Okay. 2 trees we have made. So from this 18 also is even number. So one more tree we can make here. 2 and 9. Okay. So one more tree we can make. 2 and 9. Okay. From 9 also one more tree is possible. Yes or no? 3 and 3. 3 threes are 9. So you can put your into whatever you want. Not required, but you can put. Okay. 3 and 3. Okay. You can put here. So after 3 into 1, 1 is not required. Because you know 1 is not a prime number. So no need to put here 1. So from this, what are the factors that we found? What are the prime factors? You will write 36 equals to, see, prime factors. Prime factors 1 2, second 2, 1 3, second 3. Okay. So prime factors what we found? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Done. One more question I will explain. One more question I will explain to you. Okay. Let's take 48. Let's take 48. 48 if you will divide, 48 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. So first you will divide 48. 2 2s are 4. 0 and 8 is left. 2 4s are 8. 0. So 24 came, right? 24. 24 again it is divisible by 2. Even number, it is 12. Okay, you remember table number 12 up to 15 at least you have to remember, not 10. 12. Now again in 12 you can write, okay, 4 and 3. 6 and 2 also you can write, but I am telling 4 and 3 also. From 4 also you can write 2 and 2. So now you better you circle now the prime numbers. 1 2, first 2, second 2, third 2, fourth 2, and first 3. So you can write now the prime factorization. Now you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. All the 2's, 4 2's over. Now one more 3 equal to 48. Okay. This is the prime factorization method. One more question I'm giving you, you do. Okay. You can pause the video and you can do 60. 60. Okay. 60. 2 and 30. Sorry, you do. Okay, you can pause it and do. Let me change the question. I have already revealed the, I will change the question. 72. Okay, try with 72. Try with 72. Okay, I'm revealing the answer now, but you can pause and try it. Okay, pause and try it. So now we will try with 72. I hope you all have completed, must have completed. So first you divide with 2. 72, you give it 3, keep it 6. Okay, 12, 6, 12, 0. Division, basic division you have to do. Okay, 2 and 36. 36 also it is divisible. I've already told you 36, it is 2 and 18. You will practice as much sums, it will be totally revised. Now this 18 also 2 and 9. And this 9 also you will add 3 and 3. Over. Prime factors came, 2 prime factors came means over. Stop. There will be a stop. Now it's time for circling. 2, first 2, second 2, third 2, first 3, second 3. You will write now. How many 2's? 3 2's. How many 3's? 2 3's. Over. This much is there. Okay. Now the new method is division method. How we will write in division method? Division method also not much difference is there. Let's take the question 72 only. Okay, you write here 2, what you will get? 36. Now I already have told you, write here 2, what you will get? 18. Write here 2, what you will get? 9. Like this you have to do in division method, not like factor tree. Write here true, you will get 3. So at last what you will write? Same thing. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is equal to 72. Okay. So one more question we will try. So now we will try for 64. For 64 we will try. Okay, first you give like this line, it is better. 2, divide 64 with 2. Okay. First you write 3, 6, 0, 4. 2 twos are 4, 0. So 32. And again divide it by 2. I have already told you 32 by 2 it will come 16. Okay, again do it by 2, 8 will come. Again do it by 2, 4 will come. 4 is not prime composite. It is not prime, it is composite. 2, 2 will come. Stop. When prime number will come, stop. Now just write 2 into 2. How many 2's are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't forget to this, write this number. 2. So 6 2's are there, equal to 64. So this is the division method. Now you try for two numbers. Two numbers I will be giving. 66, two numbers, and 56. 66 and 56. Also you try for 40. Also you try for 40. Three numbers you try. Now I'm revealing the answer. You can pause the video and try. Okay. 66. Try it. So 66. Okay. I hope you all have tried. 66. 2 you do, how much it will come? 33. You try it. Okay. 33 it will come. Now do it by 3. Try it by 3, it will come 11. After that you have to stop because 11 is a prime number. So what you will write for it? What you will write for it? 2 into 3 into 11 is equal to 66. Now it is done. 40. 40 how you will do? 40 to 20. 25 you can take here. 5 also. 5 is a prime number. Take 5. It will come 4. Okay. These divisions you try. Even number you are seeing, you try it by 2 and find to get the question. Try to get the question. 2. What you will write here? You have got 2. 2 is a prime number. What you will write? 2 into 5 into 2 into 2 is equal to 40. Done. Next one. 56. You know 7 8s are 56 and 7 is a prime number. Try with 7. Yes, 7 you will try, it will come 8. Okay. 8 you try with 2. 4 will come. 4 you try with 2. Very interesting method. Very, very interesting method. So see, first you take 7 into 2 into 2 into 2 equals to how much? 56. So I hope you all have got the answer. Those who have not got also, this is the only the method. Okay. Now some task I will give. Some task I will give. You have to do in your home and next class, or you can mail me the answer. Okay. By factor tree method and also by division method, you want to find the prime factors of prime factorize 96 and 90 and also 100. These three numbers you have to prime factorize and give me the answer. Okay. So for today this much. We will meet in the next class with a new part of this chapter, the last part perhaps. Okay. So let's meet in the next class. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to the channel. God bless you.